Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to whip up a delicious and healthy chicken wrap that is perfect for lunch or dinner. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's get started. We are starting off with our protein and we're using this part of the chicken breast, yes. So you go ahead and wash with salt, wash it very well, okay? Then transfer in your chopping board, pat it dry, and then start cutting. It is advisable you cut it a bit long, okay, just like you're watching. Yes, at this point we are done cutting. Now it is time to season. So get all your favorite seasonings ready. Okay, transfer the chicken in a clean bowl, all right? Now add in your salt, your ginger powder. Next is your garlic powder. Okay. Now go in with some paprika powder, okay? And some pepper flakes. Drizzle in some little amount of sesame oil and mix, okay? All right. Mix it thoroughly to combine well. All right, and we are done. Cover it, okay? Let's allow it to marinate for some minutes or an hour. So guys, after an hour, we are here. It's time to fry. Go on and drizzle in some oil in your pan. Once it is heated, go on and add in your marinated chicken, okay? And begin to fry. We are going to fry it until it turns golden brown, okay? All right, at this point, we are flipping the other side, okay? All right, we are checking again. At this point, guys, it is set. It is okay this way. Yeah, so set it aside, okay? Let me introduce some of the remaining ingredients. This is our onions, all diced. This is our bell peppers, the green and the red. And here is our carrot sliced. Yes, we slice it a bit long. Yes, this is how we want it. Now, moving on to the next one. So, guys, in that same pan, same oil, go in with your diced carrot. Yes, we went in with the carrot first because it's a bit hot. So, the other ingredients, to other vegetables. So, guys, fry it for a minute and then add in your other ingredients, which is the onions and the bell peppers, okay? Once you've added it, go on and stir it. Stir to combine everything together, all right? Okay, now season with some salt and some black pepper. All right, add in your mixed herbs, okay? Afterwards, you stir it. Stir fry for a minute, okay? Yes, we don't want to over fry it. Yes, we still want it a bit crunchy, okay? Yes, so go on and stir. At this point, guys, it is ready. Now it's time to wrap. So grab your tortilla wrap and spread it, okay? Go in with some spinach. You can use your crispy lettuce, yes, whichever one you have. Now go in with some fried chicken and then your vegetables, yes, just like you're watching me do. Then fold it just this way, okay? Yes, fold it this way. Next one, go in with some spinach. Then go in with some chicken. Yes. Followed by the vegetable. Yes, our stir-fried vegetables. Oh my, it looks so good, guys. Very delicious and healthy. So once you've added it, go on and fold it just this way, okay? Now, for cream lovers, yes, you want to enjoy it with some cream. Yeah, you go on and drizzle in some cream, spread it out, okay? And then add in your spinach, your chicken, and some vegetables, just like you're watching. Yes. Yeah, once you're done, fold it. Yes. Roll it this way, and you're done. Yes. All right? Okay. All right, so guys, you can enjoy it without cream or with cream, okay? So now we are heating them up. Okay, we don't want to eat it cold. All right, guys, at this point, it is set. Yes, this is me bringing them out from the pan. Okay, all right. So delish, guys. Go on and divide it, yes, with your knife, just like this. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. Thank you, guys, for being here. Thank you for your support. I love you all. And to you that is meeting my video for the first time, welcome. Please do where to subscribe and be part of the family, okay? Yes. So guys, and there you have it, our delicious chicken vegetable wrap. All set, guys. Oh my. It tastes so good, crunchy. Oh, are you gonna give this recipe a go? Guys, try it and tell the difference, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and as well follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes, all right? See ya.